Hey, this is Elma, the Non-Techie, and today I'd like to show you a test that I'm doing on DevLand. So, what is DevLand? DevLand is a WordPress plugin that would help to get your site optimized for speed, performance, and security. And it claims that it can do it in just minutes. So, let's see, and I'm going to do a test. So on this test, I've created two subdomains on my domain non-techie, which is control.nontechie.com and devland.nontechie.com. So let's go inside. I did a fresh install a couple of hours ago. So you see here, this is control.nontechie.com, and you can see that I have two plugins. That's it. And here is another one. So this is devland.nontechie.com. And you can see here, I also only have two plugins and nothing else. So what I'll do later on is that on both sides, I am going to install a theme. Maybe I'll use DV for that. And I'm going to install it on both sides and just set up a homepage. And then later on, I will use the DevLand plugin on the DevLand subdomain, while I'm not going to use the DevLand plugin on the control subdomain. So I'll be back to you later, and after I've already added my pages. Okay, see you later. Hey, so I am now back, and I have installed Divi themes on both subdomains. So I have here the DevLand subdomain, and the only difference between DevLand subdomain and the control subdomain is the DevLand installation, DevLand plugin installation. So let me walk you through what I have on that is the same on both sites. So heading over to control, we have, in terms of plugins, these two that are actually not active. And of course, we have the DV theme. And on the pages, let's go here. I have a home page, and that's it. And by default, these are given by WordPress. So that's about it. While here on DevLand, you'll see the pages. Exactly the same as what I have on the control site. So home, privacy policy, sample page, but only this one I made. And let's go to the other one. Plugins. You see, I have here DevLand Premium, and it's already activated. Now, the next step is I will now show you this one, settings. So I want to show you what you have inside DevLand. So inside DevLand, you have several apps that are available, which is a page cache, emoji disable, WebP, classic styles, contact form 7, XML RPC, preloading, and login mover. So it's something like you're hiding your WordPress login. So let's start optimizing stuff here. So let's say, so, okay, maybe I'll say what I like about these is if you go into the categories, say optimize. So I have the page cache, classic styles, and preloading. So if I click this one, it would tell me, where is it now? Okay, preloading. Okay, so enhanced loading. Say I want to turn this on. Preload. Okay, and then it will tell you exactly what it is helping on. It's helping font, CSS, and JS preload faster. So I say, hey, I want to enable this app. And I want to enable this one. Okay, let me just turn on everything to make it. No, enable this app. Let me enable anything, and I'll be back again later. Okay, so I'm back. I have now turned on most of the category or most of the options or most of the features except for the login mover because I don't want to have a new login, a different login page for now. So now I want to clear cache. So the cache has been cleared, and I'll go to my. Okay, so this is also fine. So here I have nothing to do. And then now let's go ahead and open an incognito tab so that you know exactly what you can see exactly how it looks like when accessed from outside. Okay, I'm back again. So I want to show you exactly how the page looks like when it is accessed from outside. So this is the DevLand subdomain, and this is exactly the page. I did not make any changes at all. So this is just a default template, or yeah, a default layout that I got from DV. And this is the control. So you can see that they are all exactly the same. And I've shown you earlier on the dashboard how it looks like. So you know that the difference between the two subdomains is actually only the DevLand plugin. And by the way, it's also on the same hosting. So we also don't have that variable to look into. So that is set. So it's really just DevLand versus control here. So we have everything the same except for the plugin. Okay, so now it's time to run our favorite GT metrics test. Okay, so let's go here, copy this one, and let's go to GT metrics and let's test. And while that's loading, let me open another tab for this. So it has a GT metrics grade of B. Now let's go to the one with DevLand. So it's DevLand. Let me just get it from the incognito tab. How will I find that? Okay, there it is. Okay, let's use this one and enter this one. Okay, so now you see that the GT metrics grade is A, and this is after I have turned on all the features on DevLand. So, okay, maybe what I'll do is I'll put these side by side. Just give me a moment to change the layout on my screen. So here I am again. So on the left side here of the screen, this is my control. So this is control.nontechie.com. And on the right side is the one where I have DevLand installed. Okay, so it has an increase. The GT metrics grade has improved. Now, I'm not really a tech expert, And I'm sure that you guys know more than I do what these numbers mean. Okay, so but my point here is that I just want to test, hey, quickly, hey, does DevLand work? And it seems to do it quite well. So let's see at what is happening here. Okay, I really don't understand these guys, but if you'd like to know more about this particular result, what I'll do is I will also put a copy of or a link to this report, or maybe I'll print out a report in PDF, so that you can see the difference between the two sites. So thanks so much for watching this video, and that's all for now. And I hope that this video helped you.